going to try to make a copycat version of the new Pineapple Under the Sea Frosty from Wendy's, and it's actually really pretty. If you look at it, there's kind of swirls. So this is supposedly like a mango and pineapple Frosty. So I'm kind of guessing on the ingredients. I don't really know. I know the original Frosty has condensed milk. I've never worked with this product, but it is dairy free, so I thought we would add that. We've got some mango coconut ice cream that doesn't have milk. We're gonna add some coconut milk and some pineapple juice and see what we get when we add those things together. So I know it won't be as pretty as the original one, but we'll see what we can get. This brand of oat milk ice cream, we've never tried. It's from Aldi. Ooh, that's really pretty. We're not gonna add too much mango because I think this, I would imagine, is more of a pineapple flavor. I don't know, we'll just kind of see if we can get something close. So as you guys know, if you've watched our videos, Kai can't have milk, so we decided to try this on his channel. We like to try different foods, and I didn't want him to miss out, so we're gonna try to make one ourselves at home. I'm trying to add more juice than pineapple, but I guess because I got the crushed pineapple, there's not a lot of juice. So we'll add some pineapple just to make the flavor stronger. And then, yeah, I've never worked with coconut condensed milk, but we'll try it and we'll see. I know it will definitely add some sweetness. And I think I'm gonna add some more ice cream just because I want it to be the right texture. It says that it could be crystallized, so if you see what it looks like, I'm just stirring it to make sure it's a nice consistency. Once again, I don't know how much to add. I guess I should taste test this a little bit and see how sweet it is. It's pretty sweet. Alright, so we're going to blend this and see where we're at, see if we need to make any changes. It's definitely really runny, so I think I'm going to add more ice cream. It'll probably make the mango a little bit too strong, but just kind of winging it. Alright, we're going to go with this. We're going to see. Obviously, it doesn't look much like the original, but who knows? Maybe it will taste great. If you want to see how this turns out, then you're going to have to watch Kai Gamer Boy's channel, where we're actually doing the taste test, and I'll put a link for that video in the description. Thanks for watching.